You are now watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.
Well, you know, Zimbabwe, me say. Oh, na 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 na. Your big up cash lives anytime. Well, you know, Zimbabwe, me say. Check. All right then. Check go mararira kwese matutu cha cha. Sim dance so ya chinja upenyu mura keshan in matutu cha 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 cha. Pulo. Oh na. Oh na na. Mbawe me say. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na. Oh na na. Oh na na na. All right then. Check go mararira kwese matutu cha cha. Sim dance so ya chinja upenyu mura keshan in matutu cha cha. Andira get seguro mangoma amandi mi seguro mangoma kwanda bakure shunu shagagoma ni matutu cha. Umari bandiba mukana begutizisa mayutsi shinu shakanaka. Utisi maticha tidi kuti varasike kwetera mangwana. Mupari zintini muketo napinda ne marito. Reka ndigimbe zvatinosangana nazvo mungopenyuni namudzati nadzo. Zvinhu zviye zvachinja ndakura vakuru vekwangu vakanditsura avasi vese vadoda zvemvenge saka avo chinguvasiya vapenge. Ona check ngomararira kwese matutu cha cha. Dash it. What do you know, Zimbabwe, me say? Baby rangu arisira kuboxa aufe wakandiwana ndichimufosa vanhu ava vana kusimba kabadi kurwiswa chavanoda kudiwa ukana une wako samushushe paatadza usamurove utaurira nai gadzirisa nai ukatungamidza hasha kana kufurirwa neshamwari unomukwadza asi iwe chewakona kapana mukadzi wako nenge kutori naye mangwana usamurove kuna kwakatadza kuremekedza fara chitomutekenetsa usamurave. What an awesome bar we say. Check. Well, mumatamenyo morgofira opaka iparo tv merai officer. Pull it up again, please.
I am studio morgofira kwete mota.
As my funniest man. Vachadzidza zvakawanda. Mumatamenyo morgofira opakai paroteve mirai officer kapanda bargofira ime marasta iminati mumatamenyo morgofira opakai paroteve mirai officer panda bargofira ime marasta iminati mirai. Dibabonguba yekuchuna mabanditi pickpocket kana veshoplifti ashabasa kunorova repesheti. Oh ndimochi pandakatanga vanenge vavaisika vovaishora kunyangwe zvandaipfeka muna mone matambudziko ndiri ndeka ona sevakudei uvo ndisiyei ukavona ndatsamwa iva usandivata ukada kungohakira kunosara mavanga. Machaini ndevabata pamweya ndinoita vekuhaka nemweya amene kareruya kiruria mabanditi kacherera nemweya.
Okay. Takubata pamweya. Second, tell me about the show on Friday. Because in Inika, Natoshka Friday question is. Tell me about the show on Friday.
This time still I want to thank one support support of Ravi Kutanga. Kubva muofa wakatanga kuyazo ndinonga pambara nasi ndiri panapa zvangoita semafanis but same way still mwari anenge achiziya reason yamasanganirana. Yo big up Thai International, yo big up Post Simple anytime, big up Mega Arts, but Samuel big up my manager Focal.
I was right. Can you number the manager? Makanita sameza makaomba.
Ongoshti kabasa anonzi bakasa. But same way still. Toda kutenda TDS vibes. Yakwanisa kuti mabandita yakakwana. Tombo usko takashota apa. Nenge pasini kutamba. But same way still apa team yakakwana vocal mbanditi tinaye ndiani kakabata mangoma. So this time performance will be different because takakwana unoziva confidence kuti unenge ine mwako zvasiyana kuti ningochipinda mubhundi uri one but apa zvakarongeka zvakadzora.
And it's nice for people like me as well. Panongoramba ndichingotaura na vocal pa Facebook apanda kutona vocal apa vocal yatopa nyanga vocal live.
Singamuzivi pa Facebook.
But actually he's live, and if anyone is listening right now, that was vocal like 15 minutes ago. That was vocal 5 minutes ago. That was vocal, isn't it? Vocal. Vocal is Say Colors manager Arta Zimbabwe, and they've come together all the way to UK today alongside PTK, and they're gonna be touring the UK. Vocal, oh yeah, majiki song.
Anengasara, big rasara.
Ichangamere dombo, ngatsokero, kusimba. How are you doing, Vocal?
No, I'm okay. How are you?
It's nice to meet you. Finally, we meet.
Yeah, finally. After, I don't know, months, years of talking
by
Facebook.
Thank you so much for all the good work you've been doing alongside Say Colors. So tell me, who is Godfrey Vocal? Because no one name by Facebook, much go bling on a vocal.
Godfrey is actually born as Godfrey Bakasa and then turned to Vocal. I'm 24 years old.
Manager was Say Colors.
Yeah, I'm his manager, but ndine vanondibatsira. It's not Vocal only. Ndina Thai International Pro Simple Mega Arts. That's the team behind Say Colors.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, that's very good. Sorry to disturb you. Empress on Taurisa. Carol, so who is tell me more about Vocal, and what are we expecting from you working alongside Say Colors on this tour?
On this tour, I think people should expect the unexpected, because it's for the first time me and Say Colors coming to UK together as one. So this time it's a full package. It's half package. Majera Gone Colors. This time it's a full package, and we're promising a well polished act, and we've got new stuff. Start somebody's wako UK kuno start perform wako UK.
Start somebody's gonna Empress.
Yeah, start.
Saka unombo ditumira kana ba sense face.
Cool.
Kana ku apa unombo ditumira.
Kana mzina utopia na poa hapana.
Mof. Amna kana tombo ndipa. Anyway, all right. Saka panesha musina mbondi tumira ipapo sa Empress kudayo so. And then ndirimbandika.
Yeah.
Muna gonna on simply raw one here.
Today we are going to show. Ngawaye kushow.
But don't go to check.
Ngawaye kushow.
Remind everyone about the show. Where
Say Colors are in.
All right. So remind everyone about your tour. Where are you on Friday, the 24th of July?
On Friday, we're in Leeds, West Indian Centre. The address is 10 Laycock Place, Leeds, and then I think that's the postal code, right? It's LS7 3AJ. I can read it again. LS7 3AJ. And then on Saturday we're in Luton.
Welcome to Saturday. We're going to Empress.
Yeah,
home base kwa Empress.
Not pa base.
Pa base.
Go base kwa
Empress. Go base kwa Empress.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kujexia skona.
Alright, you tell me Kujexia skona kwa Empress.
Dunstable Leisure Centre.
Check.
And then the address is Code Drive, Dunstable, Bedford, LU54JD.
And it
yeah, all shows are starting around 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. The contact details are repo, but on Facebook you can go pana Changamire Dombo or Chaura Chiteni.
Kana pana Empress.
Simple.
Kana pana Empress.
Pamtengo Radio.
You know what?
Everywhere. It's everywhere. The show is everywhere.
Exactly. It's everywhere. And a big thank you to everyone who shared this flyer. King Alfred, big up to you. Boss Ronnie, Thai International. The list is just endless. But thank you so much, guys. You know what? I was going to ask you something. But I'm just doing that. Okay. That's it. I wanted to ask you guys. Right. What's that all about? Because in Takato's opinion, I'm going to bandit chero. Messi Manjaro. Abanandi Daira.
mabhanditi akawanda ubvunzani
Bata two mabanditi.
plus po ngawe yambotaura
Saka chibhanditi chachona ndechichipa mama.
aiwa kana chiti mabhanditi akabviswa cheni tikura kuti pane chimwe chikala so chinenge chakambotinywa hamini kana muchinzwisisa skiri racho kuti pane pekuti tine chirwa mangoma chigumira on a certain level yekuti tairwa mangoma.
You have been watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.